If you want to learn acupressure, I'd like to show you 3 valuable points that I consider the crown of this healing work. Place your fingertips on the top of your head. Now, right in the center, not to this side, not to that side. Yeah, and if you're not sure where it is, try this. Go from the back of your ears and go up to the top of your head, and then lightly touch here. With your other hand, touch in between your eyebrows. Okay? There's my eyebrows. Right in between is a dip. Do you feel the dip? I'd love you to do this with me. Okay. So now take a nice, slow, deep breath. Close your eyes. Inhale and exhale on your own, taking nice, slow, even, deep breaths. You're doing great. And now to get the energy to come together, touch right here, but a little bit firmer so that you're pressing into your gum. And take 2 or 3 more deep breaths. Straighten your spine. Deepen your breath. Good. Nice. These points can enable you to have glandular balance in your body. I'd like to encourage you to go for free to my Meridian Healing Points page, and I've given you the link above. So go there and you'll discover a post that's 15 minutes of video, and then you'll find other posts about these points so that you can learn more, and it won't cost you anything. Go there now, and if you're excited about learning acupressure, just type in yes, in all caps, yes. If you want to learn and discover the benefits of this healing system, that where energy tends to get blocked in our bodies, it's natural, but when you touch the points, and you'll be able to feel this immediately, there is so many great benefits. And you've got your hands. There's no needles involved. It's the same points that are used in acupuncture, but using hands instead of needles. You see, the hands were used so many hundreds of years before they ever even developed needles. How? Instinct. This is an ancient form of healing that you can learn. And it's been used for so many hundreds of years and passed down from generation to generation. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link, join the Meridian Healing Points page, and I'll see you there. I'm giving so much free healing information on this page. And that's what it's all about. You see, a meridian is a channel of human electrical energy that connects these points that tend to get blocked. And it's what will enable you to learn so much more specific healing information. So do it now. I know that you'll, if you're getting excited about this, you're going to love this page. So maybe it'll take, we'll approve of you tomorrow. That's as fast as it'll be, so that you can get this, for all this information, free. Blessings to you.